Good morning, my dear students. My name is Ajay. Today topic is hybridization. What is hybridization? The atomic orbitals and an atom to same energy, equal energy or near energy to intermixed two orbitals to form new orbitals. This phenomenon is called hybridization. So we have an example. That is methane molecule. This is central atom is carbon atom. Carbon atom electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So central metal is carbon atom. Carbon atom is this is ground state electron configuration. The exit state electron configuration is 2s1, 2p3. This is we have 2s orbital is 1 electron form. We have 2p orbital is 3 electron form. So we have central metal atom carbon. We have 3 p orbitals is perpendicular to each other. We have 3 perpendicular to each other. We have s orbital. This sphere is shape. We have s orbital. We have 4 hydrogen molecules. We have intermixed. This is 3 hydrogen bonds are intermixed. This is 3 hydrogen bonds. This is to form sigma bonds. To form sigma bonds are each other one hydrogen, and one hydrogen. To form only sigma bonds, not pi bonds, only sigma bonds. These sigma bonds are 4 hydrogen molecules to form intermixed. These carbon p orbitals are intermixed. One have one s orbital. To form same energy or nearly energy. To form same energy. Do not form another carbon, another metal. Do not form hybridization. Only same orbital, atomic orbital to form same energy, to near energy. Okay. This is one hydrogen electron. This is one hydrogen electron. This is one hydrogen electron. This is one hydrogen. To fulfill. Okay. So we have rules. We have follows hybridization for rules. So we have right rules.
3.
So rules. The first one number is atomic orbitals must belong to same atom with nearly same or energy. So we have one carbon atom. To another example, methane molecule. One carbon atom only involved in hybridization. Only another not carbon atom. So atomic orbitals must be belong to same atom. Only one atom. So we have example one methane molecule, carbon atom, only carbon atom. Same energy. One carbon atom same energy. Two another p orbitals are mixed to the perpendicular to the one hydrogen orbital. Same energy to same energy. Okay. The number of hybrid orbitals formed the equal number of atomic orbitals. So hybridization involved in 4 number of hydrogen orbitals are involved. So 4 number of atomic orbitals are involved equal to. So it is involved in the hybridization. Okay. The completely filled or half filled or even empty orbitals are involved in hybridization. So we have the s orbital, the p orbital is in ground state 2p2, 2s2. In carbon atom, example in carbon atom, the ground state is this is empty. This is also involved in hybridization. So we empty electrons or we empty orbitals. So completely filled, half filled or moreover. So involved in hybridization. Do not participate in electrons or zero electrons are not involved. So it is called hybridization. So all hybrid orbitals are possess same energy and shape. So it is conclude shape and structure and number of lone pairs, number of electrons and before etc. This is orbitals. This is rules. So another rules is
Start.
The central atom only undergo hybridization in a molecule. Only central atom can involve in hybridization. So one of the before example is methane molecule. Methane molecule. Only this carbon atom is only involved in hybridization. It is only hybridization molecule. Only this is sp3. This is tetrahedral shape. Only carbon atom involved. This. Orbitals, this is very important. Orbitals symmetrically arranged around the nucleus. The central atom is in such a vast in which repulsions between orbitals are minimum. So we have the p orbitals are this is more repulsions. This is very important. This is very important topic. This is more repulsions cannot form orbitals. Minimum low, very low. Only this form is only this. This is more stable. It is very important. Repulsions between atomic orbitals order of lone pair and bond pair, lone pairs. Hybrid orbitals always formed in sigma bond. This is only form is sigma bond. Not pi bond. Okay. So what will be used in hybridization? Hybridization use is we conclude structure and number of electrons and number of lone pairs, number of bond pairs. How many electrons are involved? The central meter of hybridization conclude, the structure conclude. So this is class over. You can also I can understand, can hope myself. This is very important in inorganic chemistry. Okay, thank you.